Strike in bowling, a perfect play. Hello, friends. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of bowling. Specifically, we'll unravel the mystery behind the term, strike. Whether you're a bowling enthusiast or just curious about this popular sport, you're in the right place to learn something new. Before we talk about a strike, let's understand the basics of bowling. Bowling is a sport where players roll a heavy ball down a lane to knock down a set of pins at the end. Each player gets 2 chances per frame to knock down 10 pins. The game consists of 10 frames, and the total number of pins knocked down determines the player's score. A strike is a term used when a player knocks down all 10 pins with the first ball of any frame. It's the best single roll score a player can achieve in bowling. When you score a strike, you'll see an X on the score sheet, symbolizing your perfect shot. Scoring a strike is crucial because it not only gives you a high score for that frame but also adds the scores of your next 2 balls to that frame. This means the points from 2 additional rolls are counted twice, making strikes the key to achieving high scores in bowling. That's why players aim for a strike. It's a game changer. To score a strike, focus on your stance, approach, and the point where you release the ball. Aim for the pocket, the space between the first and third pins for right-handed players, or the first and second pins for left-handed players. A smooth, controlled throw with the right amount of spin can significantly increase your chances of knocking all the pins down. Scoring a strike in bowling is a thrilling moment that can turn the game in your favor. Remember, it's not just about strength but also about precision, timing, and technique. We hope this video helps you understand what a strike is and how you can improve your chances of scoring one. Happy bowling, and see you in the next video.